Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called inventory tax. Inventory tax is a property tax that is determined by the value of inventory and usually falls under a business tangible personal property tax. Other types of property that often fall under the same classification are machinery, office equipment, and furniture. Inventory management therefore directly affects a business's bottom line, not only when it comes to inventory carrying cost and storage cost, but also when the tax season rolls around. Specifically, this is for US. Each year, you will be taxed not only on your profit, but in 11 states in US, you will also be required to pay a tax on inventory stored there, regardless of whether your business makes a profit that year or not. Inventory tax is determined on a state by state basis in US. Currently, there are 11 states that collect some sort of inventory tax, some on a statewide level, and some collect within a particular municipalities. It is important to look at each state's property tax policies before deciding to house inventory there on a short term or long term basis to understand the full impact it will have on your business. Similar to sales tax and economic nexus, inventory tax requirement vary by state and can vary based on how long the inventory is stored there, whether it is being shipped out of state or being stored in a 3PL or other warehouse, and in some cases may even include WIP inventory. As with other property taxes, you will be required to pay inventory tax regardless of whether your business is profitable or not. You will also be responsible for tracking your inventory, determining its value, and calculating the taxes due. This can be a time consuming for small and mid-sized businesses, and although they carry less inventory and therefore pay less inventory tax than major retailer, the resources required for tracking inventory and calculating inventory tax are often more limited for SMBs. Fortunately, in India, we do not have this inventory tax, but even in US, not all states have this, but only 11 states as of now impose the inventory tax. Thanks for watching. Bye.